How to use ChatGPT for beginners. Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. In this video, I'll show you how to use it properly, even if you've never touched AI before. We are talking AI tools for beginners. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can write, explain, and help you with almost anything, like homework, emails, content, or even business ideas. Let's start simple. You just type a question like needing information about your upcoming holiday in Bali. If you type, tourist attractions in Bali, you get very broad and general answer with many possibilities from the hundreds of beautiful places of interest in Bali. But if you ask ChatGPT a more specific question like, I am visiting Bali in July 2026 and would like to learn more about their culture. Which places do you recommend me to visit that allow pets? You can see that you get better answers that relate to your situation. Here's a tip. Not giving enough context will get you general answers. Now take it further, and be more specific on the type of pet you are bringing and says dogs for example. Now ChatGPT gives very relevant information about a tourism with dogs in Bali, including important and additional information like climate, health risks which may further help you in your preparation. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments.